Hello to everyone, thanks for watching. This is a small tutorial to show you how you can use OBS Studio for recording your presentation for EvoStar or potentially for whatever you want. So as you can see, OBS project is OBS Studio is an open source project, which is good, and you can download it for different platforms: Windows, Macintosh, Linux, so basically for all major platforms. And so here you get the page if you want to download it. I'm taking advantage that I have two screens for having OBS Studio recording on the one screen and showing you the other screen. But well, this might be the case that you just have one single screen, so I'm gonna take OBS Studio here to show you how it looks like. Well, you see this recursive view. Well, this is a bit annoying, right? So what I'm gonna do is, this shows, actually that's the problem of having a single screen. If you just have one, you will see something like that, but you can enable or disable this. So right now you don't have this annoying recursive view, but you have the vision over OBS Studio. So I'm gonna show you a bit. I'm not an expert, but I want to show you a bit how to create quite rapidly the settings for recording a video. So here the first thing you got is one thing called scene. You usually have one scene, and so basically you don't have to touch anything here, just select. Okay, you have sources. Sources is what you want to share. So right now I'm sharing my screen, and I'm sharing with you also, like myself here. So for doing that, in sources you can right click and you can add a different set of things. So for the screen capture, I have selected this screen capture in this format, and for the video capture I've selected this other one. So I'm sharing with you these two things. For the video capture, you can see, well, for both of them, sort of 9 here, right? So if I click here, I'm gonna disappear. So bye bye. You see? Well, so you can, at any time, you can just click there and disappear from the image, or click again and hello, I'm back. And the same for the entire screen. So I'm gonna make it black now. Okay, so I'm still here and coming back. So very good. I think with that, with these two sources is enough actually to share a presentation. And for the audio mixer, I think it is worth to record few videos like that to test the sound quality, because if you move this down, and if I move it too up, it's a bit annoying. So find the good balance, and for that you will have to test a bit. And what else? Here I didn't touch anything. I'm not an expert. And here, well, this allows you to stream. OBS allows you to stream in real time for platforms like YouTube or Twitch. But we are not gonna use that. We are gonna just use recording. So I'm recording right now with OBS Studio. I cannot stop it, otherwise I disappear. But yeah, you would have a start button. So you're gonna click it and you're gonna start recording. What is interesting is these settings. So in settings, you can see that you have general settings, you have stream settings. I have set it up for Twitch actually with your stream key. In advance you're not gonna use that, but output, this is important. Here you're gonna set up the bit rate, so the quality, and in recordings you have here a button to browse. I cannot use it because I'm recording right now, so I cannot change where I'm storing my file, but you can click there and select the location for storing the video, and also you can set up the recording format. I'm recording right now in MP4, So that's all here, and I'm gonna enable the view again, so recursivity back. And yeah, taking advantage that I have two screens, I'm just gonna move this OBS Studio to the other screen. So I'm back here, and I'm gonna show you a bit how you can do. This is an old presentation of mine, so there we go. So you could just start recording with a presentation like that directly if you have two screens. If not, you already know the trick, and start presenting. If you want to your image to appear, well, you know, I'm here, but do you remember the eye on the video capture device? Well, I'm clicking it, so I'm disappearing right now, and I could potentially continue my presentation with different slides, etc. So I hope I'm moving here a second. Okay, I hope you like it, and that's all from my side, and thank you so much. And I would like to tell you see you in Seville, but hopefully we will see each other next year, so have fun.